The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho is rich with philosophical and spiritual lessons. Here are some of the key lessons and quotes that readers can take away from the book. 1. Follow your dreams. The central message of the book is to pursue your dreams relentlessly. Santiago's journey is a testament to the importance of listening to your heart and following your aspirations, no matter how daunting the path may seem. 2. Listen to your heart. Throughout the story, Santiago learns to trust his intuition and listen to the guidance of his heart. This teaches readers the importance of tuning in to their inner voice and following its guidance, even when faced with uncertainty. Embrace change. Santiago encounters numerous obstacles and setbacks on his journey, but he learns to embrace change and adapt to new circumstances. The book encourages readers to be open to change and to see challenges as opportunities for growth and transformation. Find meaning in the journey. While Santiago's ultimate goal is to find a treasure, he discovers that the true treasure lies in the journey itself. The book reminds readers to savor the experiences, lessons, and relationships that they encounter along the way. The language of the universe. Santiago learns to interpret the signs and omens that the universe presents to him, which he refers to as the language of the world. This teaches readers to be aware of the synchronicities and opportunities that arise in their lives and to trust in the interconnectedness of all things. 6. Personal legend. Coelho introduces the concept of a personal legend, which is the unique purpose or destiny that each person is meant to fulfill. The book encourages readers to identify their own personal legends and to pursue them with passion and determination. 7. Fear and courage. Santiago confronts his fears and learns to overcome them throughout his journey. The book highlights the importance of facing one's fears with courage and resilience in order to achieve personal growth and fulfillment. 7. Fear and courage. Santiago confronts his fears and learns to overcome them throughout his journey. The book highlights the importance of facing one's fears with courage and resilience in order to achieve personal growth and fulfillment. Overall, The Alchemist offers profound insights into the human experience and provides timeless wisdom that resonates with readers of all ages and backgrounds.